This question belongs to aptitude subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015. So the question states, an unordered list contains n distinct elements. So we have n distinct elements. The number of comparisons to find an element in the list that is neither max nor min is. So we need to find an item which is neither the maximum nor the minimum. As it is an unsorted list, unordered list with distinct elements, so if we sort it by any sorting algorithm, then it will take order of n log n comparisons at max. So then we will get a sorted list. Then we can return any item except the first and last item. So it will have order of n log n comparison. Can we simplify it further? Yes. Suppose we have list like this, unsorted, 8, 9, 53. Then instead of sorting it, we will select any three items. Any three items we select from any range. Let us suppose we select this. Now using two comparisons, we need to just say whether which one is maximum and which one is second max and which one is third max. It can be done in two comparisons. So which means in constant comparisons, we will get to know who is the max and who is the min among them. So we will get 3880. Then we will return the minimum item. So it will take order of one comparisons. Why will this be guaranteed that it won't be minimum and the maximum? As if 8 was minimum, then it will come over here. And if 8 was maximum, then it will come over here. But 8 comes in the middle, which means it is neither the least item nor the maximum item. See, maximum item is 53. But 80 is also a possibility. But 8 can't be definitely the maximum item. As it is less than 80 and more than 3, so it can't be least. So our answer will be a middle item. So we just need constant comparisons for this. So answer is option D, order of 1.